everybody, it's Mike from Project C5 Vet, and today I'm just going to show you a couple of things that I've installed as parts have been coming in. I went ahead and installed my Verum air bridge. I didn't really videotape it or anything, but I installed it the other day, and I have a couple more things that I'm going to install probably by this weekend, which I'll show you some of those parts right now. Alright guys, so here's a little preview of what projects I have coming up. I have some head bolts. I have a valve spring compressor tool, spark plug hose adapter. I have some keepers for valve blocks, my valve springs. I have another gasket for the upper pan. I have OEM head gaskets. My genuine GM oil pressure sensor. Let's see if this will solve my problem as far as the low oil level indicator on the DIC and the rough starts. So in the meantime, I figured I would take a video and show you as I install some of the new weather stripping that's come in. Got my Targa top weather stripping, so I'm gonna take the old stuff out and put the new stuff in. So we'll get into it right now. So the old stuff's out. As you could see from the video, I had a tough time with this side. I didn't want to release. A lot of the glue or whatever was holding it on and crumbling out from underneath it. And then this side was a lot easier. So I'm just going to clean this side up or this sides up before I install the new stuff. Sand it a little bit or put some alcohol on it to get rid of some of it, and then I'll put the new stuff in. So yeah, let's get it done. Alright, everything lines up nicely. The new weather stripping looks good, looks fresh, looks in way better condition than this other stuff. So as soon as I get some adhesive, I'll apply the adhesive so that it sticks, so that it seals a little bit better. But yeah, that's the very first of many. I think it makes the car look a lot fresher, and it'll make it look nicer once I get the paint job. So if you like that video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below, and we'll see you next time.